Hello, everyone. Welcome to Backyard Musings, broadcasting live from Apple Valley, California. I'm Steve, and Scott is MIA. I know he got in last night, but he hasn't been returning calls or text messages. So uh, we're going to go on this segment without him. Scientists have discovered a simple supplement that causes prostate cancer cells to self-destruct. When I first saw this article, I was like, wow, awesome. But then as I started digging some more, there's some questions, and we're going to ask those at the end. Prostate cancer is a quiet killer. In most men, it's treatable. While it's treatable in many men, some cases prove resistant to all current therapies and become highly aggressive. Researchers at Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory have made a new discovery that could lead to a game-changing solution. Menadione, a vitamin K precursor, shows promise in slowing prostate cancer in mice by disrupting cancer cell survival processes. Okay, menadione, just remember this. With potential applications for human treatment and myotubular myopathy therapy. Would you like to know more? I definitely wanted to know more. CSHL Professor Lloyd Trotman's lab has found that the pro-oxidant supplement menadione slows prostate cancer progression in mice. The supplement is a precursor to vitamin K, commonly found in leafy greens. The story begins more than 2 decades ago. In 2001, the National Cancer Institute's SELECT trial sought to determine if an antioxidant vitamin E supplement could successfully treat or prevent prostate cancer. The trial, involving 35,000 men, was planned to last up to 12 months. However, after just 3 years, it was planned to last up to 12 years. However, after just 3 years, participants were told to stop taking their supplements. Uh-oh. Not only have vitamin E failed to slow or prevent prostate cancer, more men taking the supplements started to get the disease. Okay. Seeing these results, Trotman thought if an antioxidant failed, maybe a pro-oxidant would work. His new findings in mice show just that. Can you believe you sign up for a trial that's going to help? You're told help with prostate cancer, and the thing that you're taking actually gives you prostate cancer. Man, I would be upset, man. That'd be like a lawsuit. When mice with prostate cancer are given menadione, it messes with the cancer's survival processes. Trotman's team has discovered that menadione kills prostate cancer cells by depleting a lipid called PI3P, which works like an ID tag. Without it, the cells stop recycling incoming materials and eventually explode. Okay? It's like this is what they say. It's like a transport hub, like JFK. If everything that goes in is immediately de-identified, nobody knows where the airplane should go next. New stuff keeps coming in, the hub starts to swell. This ultimately leads to the cell bursting, explains Trotman. This causes the cancer's progression to slow significantly in mice. Trotman now hopes to see the experiment translated to pilot studies in human prostate cancer patients. And I had paused there because when I was looking at Trotman, I was thinking Troutman, Colonel Troutman from Rambo. That's how my mind works, okay? So here's the quote. Our target group would be men who get biopsies and have an early form of the disease diagnosed. We wonder if they start to take the supplement, whether we would be able to slow the disease down, end quote. Amazingly, Trotman's research suggests menadione may also prove effective against myotubular myopathy, a rare condition that prevents muscle growth in infant boys. Those diagnosed rarely live beyond early childhood. Oof. Trotman's lab has found that depleting PI3P with menadione can double the lifespan of mice with this condition. If the results hold up in humans, it would mean that men with prostate cancer can enjoy a better quality of life and more time with their families. It could also mean more precious time for children born with an incurable disease. So, I looked up menadione to see what's going on with this. I haven't heard of it before. What's going on? Menadione is a synthetic organic compound with the formula C6H4 CO2 C2HCH3. I know that's a lot of chemistry there. I don't even know what that means. It is an analog of 1,4-naphthoquinone with a methyl group in the 2 position. It is sometimes called vitamin K3. Okay. Use is allowed as a nutritional supplement in animal feed because of its vitamin K activity. I did say animal feed. No wonder it works in mice, as K3 is known to be toxic in large amounts. Despite the fact that it can serve as a precursor to various types of vitamin K, menadione is generally not used as a nutritional supplement in economically developed countries. It's not used in economically developed countries. Menadione for human use at pharmaceutical strength is available in some countries with large lower income populations such as India. The typical daily dose is 10 milligram oral or 2 milligram parenteral. It is used in treatment of hyperprothrombinemia. Let me try this. Hypoprothrombinemia outside of the United States. Hypo whatever is a rare blood disorder in which a deficiency in immunoactive prothrombin factor 2 produced in the liver results in an impaired blood clotting reaction, leading to an increased physiological risk for spontaneous bleeding. That's what it treats. This condition can be observed in the gastro system, cranial vault, and superficial integumentary system, affecting both the male and female population. Okay, good to know. Menadione is not believed to be carcinogenic. Oh, thank goodness it's not believed to be. K3 can cause generation of reactive oxygen species by redox cycling and aerylation of thiols using its reactive 3 position. ROS generation explains various toxic effects of excessive menadione, including DNA damage and cell death. Well, that would explain exploding cells, or on a whole animal level, cardiac and renal toxicity in rats. So I wonder if these doctors have more research to do about this. It sounded like gee whiz bang, but then once I pulled back the curtain, I started doing the investigation myself. I don't know. So we're going to keep an eye on this and see if this goes anywhere, and we'll let you know if anything happens. Thanks a lot, folks, and we'll see you tomorrow.